I like this microphone situation. I just put it on my Apple iPad Pencil. All right, let's get started. Everything you're about to see is what I actually use to run my social media marketing agency. And by the end of this video, you will be able to copy all of it. Let's get into the tools I build to land clients and manage them like a pro. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Luna. I own a social media marketing agency called Levolution Marketing. And on this channel, I'm sharing my experiences so you get to learn from my real stories and helpful tips so you can create your own agency. All right, I'm not wasting your time here, so let's get into it. First thing I created was the brand portfolio. It's very important because I use this for pitching my clients and also onboarding them, showcasing my work and everything. So what I have in here, let me show you what I created by myself. Also, I created this on Canva. So I feel like the key material is I want to use this brand portfolio to pitch the brand. So you obviously need a service information. And I also share this with someone who reached out to me. So they want to see my work and they want to see reviews from my clients and onboarding system workthrough because I want to use this to onboarding my clients as well. If you're having a hard time making your brand portfolio by yourself, I have my template in Stan Store so that you can copy everything that I created. It's not in this new format. I absolutely want to create a new format. So if you want this type, if you want this version, please let me know in the comment. But I do have more beginner friendly template, so go check it out. Let me walk you through what I have on my brand portfolio. So the first page, obviously you need some kind of logo of your brand, and I just listed everything that they can see about me: client results, service information, work review, and work with us, which is onboarding system. And then I added this about me section, and it's kind of like talking about my journey, how I started, why I wanted to start it. But the key point is you want to make this very short and simple because your potential client's not here to get to know you. So, and then secondly, I have this work, which is a showcasing my work. In Canva, you can create different pages. So if I click this product, it'll go to another different page. You can do that in Canva. So if you want me to create step-by-step how to create a brand portfolio, let me know in the comment. I absolutely want to do that for you guys if you need it. And then the next one, I added a client result. It's very important to capture all the good things and good highlights and showcasing what actually you can do because people love to see A numbers. So if I click see more, you can see all the details right here and highlights that I had with my clients, and this makes potential clients more excited to work with you. So it's very important. If you don't have these type of client results, I absolutely recommend you guys to start with the service exchange and build your brand portfolio, because if you don't have a result, then I absolutely don't have anything to show to my potential client. And yes, I started with a service exchange, so don't be afraid to do that. And then next one, you will see all of the clients' love letter and a feedback that I got from my clients. And here you can see service information. I wanted to make it very detailed so that people can understand what they can get from these individual packages. And then lastly, you can see a contact us, all the links back to the top. On Canva, you have a function that you can add all those page names on top. So that's what I did. So you see the main page, the spa works, a product, real estate, personal brand, and client result. In the last one, I added onboarding. I didn't want it to add it to the main page because it's not necessary for everyone. Onboarding, this is where I use to onboarding my clients, obviously. So whenever we get on the call and when they decided to work with me, I'll just pop this screen on share screen or whatever, and then I'll just walk them through what's going to happen from here. So you can absolutely copy this. I really don't mind. If you want to check out my brand portfolio template, scan the QR code or check the link below. The next thing that I had was my content planner already set up. It's always easy to show them the real things so that they don't have to wonder what's gonna happen. I'm more a visual person, so it's easy for me to explain things. I think it's easier for them to imagine what's gonna happen and what they get. If I show you my monthly content planner really quickly, here's the template that you can also get. First of all, the first slide is the title, and then the second slide, you can see the information about when we are posting time, and I can add a username and a password right here. And then from page 3 to page 4, it's the weekly content planner. Right here, you can add the vertical videos, the cover, caption, and you can see a content number and title and dates and everything. And I also have this status section at the bottom so that my client can see what's going on with these individual contents. And then page 7, they have a Instagram feed imaginator so that we can see what's going to happen in this month, and all the brand very important information like fonts, colors, and everything. And then at the end of this template, you will have a content pillars sections, because I want to keep this with the content planner so that I can see what we agreed on, what type of content we're creating and everything. So this is what you get from the content planner, and I absolutely use this for all of my clients. So it works. If you want to copy them, you can absolutely do that. The next thing that I had was a brand strategy sheet, which I talked about it earlier a little bit. But in there, you can see all the important information like the brand logos and colors, fonts. Sometimes they have a brand sheet, so I will just receive them from the client, and then I will just add all those information, just the key points. And then I also create hashtags that we should use. I do all the research and everything so that they know this is the game plan, this is what we're going to do. And I actually didn't have this when I started my marketing agency. And then one of my clients told me that it was absolutely a learning process. And she was like, oh, I was looking for some type of these sheets. She showed me the Pinterest picture, and I was like, oh, that's what my client needs, because I was creating content for them, just create verticals and send it to them. But they want to see the goals. They want to see what my game plan is and what their game plan is. So I think it was very important to showcase them how we're going to approach their content creation. So learn from my mistakes. And last but not least, I have this content creator must-have sheet. This was not for my social media marketing agency, but I just wanted to make this because I had a lot of comments and messages that says, hey, what type of camera you use, what type of microphone you use, what type of lights you use. So I really wanted to put all the information in here instead of just sending them an individual Amazon link. So if you need some type of startup tools, this is the one for you. So I recommend you guys to download them, and it's completely free. All right, so I assume if you finish watching this video until this point, I think you were really serious about starting your own content creation agency or social media marketing agency. And I hope you have all the tools that you need. And these are absolutely tools that I created by myself and then start up my social media marketing agency. And also I have a really exciting news. I have a bundle, so you don't have to get all these individual things individually. And I'm giving you guys a $40 off because I didn't want it to make it too much. And I remember when I was starting up my social media marketing agency, I didn't really have a lot of funds. And I know a lot of people are on the same path probably. So I really wanted to make it a little bit more affordable than what it came out. So you will get all the things that I listed right here. So you are ready to create your own social media marketing agency tomorrow or today. I hope this video was really helpful for you. Please comment down below if you have any questions about starting up your own social media marketing agency. I would love to help you guys. If you want to know more insider things, what I do as a social media manager, click this video next, and I will see you guys in this video. Bye.